Hey friends, if you wish to fix NVIDIA shell has stopped working error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to update the drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now you can expand the list for display adapters. See, here's the thing. We may have multiple drivers here. Check for the NVIDIA one, right click on it and update it. The second solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and then select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Check for Updates. The last solution is to check for driver conflict. And how would you do that? Search for Device Manager once again and go to Device Manager. Now expand display adapters. If it has an Intel normal graphics card, then it's okay, the basic graphics card. But if it has a conflicting dedicated graphics card like the AMD Radeon one, then right click on it and then select uninstall device. Why? So that it doesn't conflict with the NVIDIA graphics card, which is an external graphics card. So this is how you can solve this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.